Here I've got General Mobile GFI plus D, and let me show you how to activate the portable hotspot on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open list of all applications, just swipe up to do it, then select the settings. Here you should find and pick network and internet, and now go to hotspot and tethering. And here, simply by tapping on portable Wi-Fi hotspot on the switcher, you can activate your portable hotspot. Just give your device a while, and once it's green, your portable hotspot is on, and here you can see the sign of the portable hotspot. If you'd like to change your network name or the password, just click on Setup Wi-Fi hotspot. And now by tapping on network name and deleting the current one, you can enter a new one. And exactly the same way, you can change the password. Just click on Show Password to see what your current password is, delete it, and then enter a new one. You just have to remember that the password must have at least 8 characters, and then tap on Save. Wait a few seconds, and now it has been updated. As you can see, here's your new network name, and also the password has been updated. So that's it. If you'd like to switch off the portable hotspot, just tap on the same switcher one more time. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.